Hey there everyone, welcome back in Dart Programming tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about map. So map we also use in Python and various programming languages. In Python or Django we call there dictionaries contain a key value pair, and in previous tutorial I told we can create a key value pair when we are discussing here about set. So that time I mean it's a dictionary which we created by using a map. So let's see what's map and how we can use it. I'm going to create here a variable months, and here let's create our dictionary, or in Dart we call this map. And first Jan, then second Feb, third March. Let's print out months, and here we want to display, let's say, one, the first one, Jan. Make it clear, run. Actually it's giving us the previous our set output because still we didn't save the file. Now let's save again. I'm going to run. We have a Jan. Clear. And we also pass here the integer values. Instead of string, I'm replacing here the integer value. If I pass here in months 3, it will give us March here. So the dictionaries which we called in Python or Django, here in Dart is called map. Also this called in React.js the map. We extract some values or data by using keys, and we print out their values. Like here we are using a key and print out the value. So that's this tutorial. See you in next one.